Hello students, welcome to your next writing skill topic, and that is diary entry. Now what is diary entry? It is a very important skill. Why I'm saying very important? It's not that I'm talking about from your examination point of view. From your personal point of view, also it is important as this is the first step of becoming a great writer. Just as some people collect photographs to serve as memories for old times, some people pen down their thoughts and feelings and experiences for the sake of memory or for future references. Now, making a diary entry is like sharing your thoughts and feelings with your very close friends or family members or relatives. In fact, your diary is better than your friends and relatives as it does not never disagrees or complains. In fact, it gives you unconditional support. Right? Now, children, for your knowledge, many great writers, after they became famous and they passed away also, their diary pages were taken up and they got published as books. Right? So, who knows, one day you will also become a great writer. Now, what is diary entry? In formal terms, we can say that it is a record of one's feelings following an event, either sad or pleasant. It is a highly personalized, you can say personal reflective in nature, and there is may not be always be objective in view. Now, there are few tips that you have to keep in mind while writing a diary. Firstly, there is a word limit since we are taking from the examination point of view. Everything that you want to write down, you cannot over here. So it is, you have to pick up the main highlights of the day, right? Just spend few moments going over the entire day and then pick up or categorize the events which are most important. You have to, in a way, cover your emotions and feelings and the main things, main events that triggered the, you can say, your emotions. It has to be a chronological order. Chronological means in sequence. Avoid skipping one thought to the other. Now, you are going to cover, you can have morning, afternoon, and evening. It's not that you can, in your personal life, it's not that you have to write the diary every day. You can write diaries on some specific days also when something important happened. Now, let's see the format of it. You can see over here, left hand side, day and date, time, very important. Mostly the time of your late evening is taken up. Then the heading over there, it's optional. Dear diary, hello diary, hi diary, you can pick up any word. Then your main lines will come over here. It can be 3 paragraphs. You can use abbreviations. You can use over here exclamatory marks, words or exclamatory sentences. And in the end, children, very important that you have to end your diary in a positive note. If it was a sad day, then the ending can be hoping for a better day tomorrow. If it was a hectic day, hoping for a relaxing day tomorrow. And if you learned a lesson today, hope this moment won't get repeated again, learned a lesson today. So your closing has to be in a positive note so that you go to bed with a peace of mind. And the end, you can note down your name. It is always your first name, right? Then comes, children, I'm taking up over here 2 samples. You have visited an old age home today with your classmates. Express your feelings in the form of a diary entry in not more than 150 words. Now, You can pause the video or you can read the lines. My second topic over here is tomorrow your school is celebrating Teachers' Day. You have been selected for presenting a speech before the teachers. Express your feelings and emotions in the form of diary entry. So you have seen, children, in your draft notebook, what you can do is, my little tip over here is, you can note down or jot down few common lines, few common starting lines, middle lines, ending lines. For example, it was a hectic day, it was a sorrowful day, it was a momentful day, rejoicing day, it was a day filled with fun and frolic. So this ways you can set some common lines, then some closing lines can be there, that in a way that is preparing some notes from the examination point of view. Fine. With that, we come to the end of this topic. I have given over here few samples, two more samples that you can do on your own. With that, we come to the end of this topic. If I have to summarize what is diary entry, I would do that in this way. A diary entry is a personal record of observations, feelings, your reactions, ideas, events, people, or anything else that an individual wants to record for himself or herself. And what are the things that you have to take care of is that first you have to put the day and the date. You have to put down your personal feelings about an event or observation. Then a brief account of the incident in past tense. And in the end, you have to put down your resolutions, your future actions, or what you have learned from today's event. So this is a brief account. With that, we come to the end. Hope you all are going to start writing your personal diaries also. Thank you. Have a nice day.